So we're trying to figure out the average number of students attending each performance. And the way you would do that, you would sum up the total number of students attended and then divide by 8 because there were 8 performances. So look at clue 1. Clue 1 says last year each student attended at least one cultural performance. Well, that does not help me at all. That doesn't work. Look at clue 2. Last school year, the average number of cultural performances attended per student was 4. Well, how would you find how would you find the average number of cultural performances attended per student? So what you would do is you would take the total students attending performance and you would divide that by 200 because there's 200 students. So total number of attended performance divided by 200, that would equal 4. And that is the average number of cultural performances attended per student. Well, take this last equation and multiply both sides by 200. And those cancel, and you're left with total students attended equal 800. And this is what we're trying to find. And we just found the numerator, so you could stop. The answer is going to be B. Clue 2 works independently by itself. Because you don't have to go on. You know what's going to work. Of course, the answer would be 800 over 8, which is 100, would be the average number of students attending each performance. So clue 2 worked.